Hello and welcome to today's financial news brought to you by CentFX, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla traded at $334.62 on Wednesday, dropping 2.6%, as investors reacted to news about its upcoming robotaxi rollout, the expansion of its AI supercluster, and a rebound in China's sales. The Nikkei index traded below $37,000 on Thursday, with Japanese shares hitting a two-week low and tracking a sharp sell-off on Wall Street overnight. Gold traded above $3,330 per ounce, gaining for a fourth straight session to reach a near two-week high, as investors sought safe haven assets amid growing concerns over the U.S. fiscal outlook. The Australian dollar climbed above 64 cents on Thursday, as the US dollar came under pressure amid growing concerns over Washington's fiscal trajectory and tepid demand for Treasury bonds. Bitcoin surged to around $111,500 due to strong retail investor participation, elevated unrealized profits, and bullish momentum following a breakout pattern. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for May, following 86.9 in April. At 2 p.m., the existing home sales in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching over 4 million in March. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the annual inflation rate of April, following 3.6% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the retail sales for April, following 0.4% in March. At 12:30 p.m., the retail sales in Canada are expected to increase, after reaching -0.4% in February. At 2 p.m., the US will release figures for the new home sales of April, following 7.4% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CentFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.